The OMAX A3550U digital USB microscope camera delivers crisp 5 megapixel images and smooth live video that make fine specimen details easy to study on a computer screen. Its included reduction lens provides a comfortably wide field of view, so you see more of your slide at once without constant repositioning. The bundled software is surprisingly capable, offering measurement tools, focus stacking, image stitching, and basic editing that feels similar to entry-level photo software. Cross-platform support for Windows, Mac operating system, and Linux makes it a flexible choice for labs, classrooms, and hobby benches that use mixed computer environments. With multiple adapters and a C-mount, the camera mounts securely to a wide range of microscopes, from student models to more advanced trinocular setups. The supplied calibration slide and color CMOS sensor work together to give reliable scale measurements and accurate color rendition for documentation and teaching.